I'm Brandon from Bungalow.com, and this is
Sarah the intern.
Hey, Sarah the intern. We're here at Leu Gardens. We're going to check out Nature of the Game, which is a new collaborative exhibit here at Leu Gardens that was made with, and I'm going to get the name wrong, Reiman Gardens and Iowa State University architecture lecturer and artist, Ronaldo Correa. So they're interactive art installations that are games.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so let's go check them out.
You gonna flip it?
Pull.
Oh no, they're falling out. Yeah, they're all, turn it quick, quick, quick. They all fell on the floor.
Caterpillar. Oh. Woo. And you won! Hey!
Oh.
They're heavy, like how?
Yeah, they're made of metal.
That's pretty crazy. This is a workout. Oh my goodness.
Right?
There you go.
That's for Lori, Self-Care Saturday. This is all about photosynthesis.
This is interesting.
I get it. It's like the atoms. This is what's happening inside a leaf.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis! Prettiest flower. Do you think it smells good? Oh, nothing.
It's scentless. So we just wrapped up Nature of the Game.
Yeah, it was awesome here at Leu Gardens. We got our little buttons.
We
Show off that we're super smart.
We got game.
Boob shot.
We got game.
Loved it. You have until April 5th, 2020 to come and check this out yourself. It just costs the price of admission to get in the park.
Okay.
Come and take some pictures with your mama.
Ooh.
Lots of flowers. Super worth it.
Yeah. Learn something about nature too while you're out here.
Nature. Learning about nature.